Next modification, we've got the switch pros all wired up. Really wasn't all that difficult. Kind of tedious, took about 2 hours to get it done. And then we used the SDHQ dash panel. So we've got it mounted in there. We've only labeled one light so far. Got to decide what all lights we're going to buy. But this is going to be perfect for adding all our lights and accessories on here. You've got all your contacts across here, going from 1 to 8 across here with your positive leads. Then under the cap, pull this off, connect all your negatives right on there. And then that's just grounded over here to the battery. Positive runs right across there behind. Probably can't see that where it goes through the firewall. Panel dims with the headlights on. I mean, everything is just almost like a factory setup. So I'm so glad we spent the money and bought this, because it's going to make wiring up all the lights a piece of cake.